Not sure whether to join XM or IC markets? In this video, we've compared these two Forex brokers to help you decide which is right for you. We've assessed each broker based on their spreads and fees, customer service, trading platforms, and more to see which is best. But before we begin, make sure to click the links in the description to each of these brokers' websites to learn more about them and open an account to see what they're like to begin trading with. To start off, let's look at a basic overview of XM and IC markets. In short, there are a number of similarities and a few key differences between these two Forex brokers. They both offer roughly the same number of pairs you can trade, at 55 with XM and 61 with IC, meaning they have all of the majors and most common exotics covered. They both offer pretty good maximum leverage in certain jurisdictions, although XM's leverage limit is a bit higher at the moment. However, IC has a greater range of different payment methods on offer, including PayPal, which is helpful, and XM beats IC when it comes to their minimum account deposit. It's just $5 at the moment compared to $200 with IC markets. Both of these Forex brokers have a good range of national financial market regulator approvals. XM is currently licensed in the UK, Australia, Cyprus, Dubai, and Belize. On the other hand, IC is approved in Australia, Cyprus, and Seychelles. So, while both brokers are well regulated, XM has a few more regulator approvals at the moment, including from Tier 1 countries, thanks to their licensing from the FCA in the UK. Both companies have been around for a while. IC was founded in 2007, and XM in 2009, meaning they have both been delivering retail Forex services for more than 16 years so far. Ultimately, we think XM has a slight edge here, but on the whole, both of these Forex brokers are very reputable options. IC Markets has some of the lowest spreads of any Forex broker in the world right now. On their standard STP accounts, you can expect a spread of about 0.8 to 1 pip on popular pairs like AUD USD and Pound USD. By comparison with XM, you can expect standard spreads of about 1.5 to 2 pips, or sometimes a bit higher, on these same pairs. However, when it comes to their ECN-style accounts which offer commission-based trading, it's a lot closer between these two brokers. They both offer very competitive raw spreads, starting near 0 pips and going up to about 1/4 of a pip most of the time. And XM and IC both charge the same $3.50 commission per standard lot round trip, which is very reasonable. So, if you want to just trade with a standard account, IC tends to offer lower costs at the moment. But both brokers' commission-based trading accounts have very low trading fees. Click the links in the description to the XM and IC Markets websites to open an account and see what their spreads and commissions are like on the pairs you prefer to trade at the moment. IC Markets has one of the largest ranges of different trading platforms available to clients of any broker out there. With an IC account, you can trade using MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, TradingView, and cTrader. It's really rare to see a broker offer this many trading platforms to choose from. Most other companies only offer you MT4 and MT5 and potentially TradingView as well. This is the case with XM at the moment. They only support MT4 and MT5 as well as their own proprietary trading platform. XM's trading platform is quite good though, and they have a great range of custom trading tools, including a market buzz indicator, which can be quite helpful if you like to trade based on sentiment. Both of these brokers offer 24-hour support, 5 days a week, which is good to see. Many other Forex brokers' customer support teams are only open during trading hours in their home country, meaning it can take a while to get help, depending on the market hours you like to trade. In terms of customer satisfaction, though, IC Markets outperforms XM at the moment. They have a rating of 4.8 out of 5 on Trustpilot at the moment, which is higher than XM's, and higher than almost any other Forex broker on the market as well. IC's support team is very responsive and very knowledgeable, which is helpful given the range of trading platforms they support. XM customer support is not bad. They're very responsive. It's just IC Markets customers are generally more satisfied with their experience at the moment. So, which of these Forex brokers should you choose? It depends a bit on what you're looking for and your trading style. If you just want to open a standard spread account, IC Markets offers lower fees, better customer service, and more trading platforms to choose from. However, XM has a lower minimum account deposit and more market regulator approvals, meaning they are open to accepting traders from a wider range of countries. Also, XM has a few proprietary trading tools that IC doesn't offer, to do things like assessing market sentiment, which can be helpful to certain types of traders. On the other hand, IC accepts a wider range of deposit and withdrawal methods, as long as you don't mind their high minimum deposit requirement. Remember, click the links in the description to the XM and IC Markets websites to open an account and see what they're like to trade with at the moment. And if you have any questions about either of these two Forex brokers, or about choosing a broker to join more broadly, leave us a comment below, and we'll reply as soon as we can.